Don't wanna close my eyes. Why pretend I'm gonna sleep when I know damn well I'm gonna keep laying you wide awake? This tip is for helping kids who have difficulty tolerating the feel of fabrics. Now, in some cases, kids can be much more accepting of clothing that feels really worn. So a really neat trick for this is to shop at secondhand stores where you can pick up some really great worn-in items. So it's a neat little trick. Consider giving it a try. Clothes may be more worn, they may feel more soft, the fabric is more broken in. So it's just a great trick. And if you haven't tried it, certainly give it a whirl and see if this helps to expand your child's clothing selection. So it's worth giving a shot.